Hi everybody, I'm Rebecca and I'm at our Paper Source Lab store in downtown Chicago. I'm standing in front of our gift wrap ladders and I picked out one of my favorite papers, which is this map. And I'm going to show you how you can turn it into a piece of art. So in this case, we're going to make a Hometown Pride art print using one of our Cavallini map papers. I chose this map of the US. And I'm going to lay the glass from the frame down over the section where my hometown is, Chicago. So you trace the glass and then cut it out. Once you've cut it out, you can add a heart to mark the spot of your hometown using the heart punch and some cardstock. I like using foam squares to add it to the map background, because then it's going to pop off the surface a little bit, so you add some dimension. Stick that on your hometown, and then you're ready to frame it. Thanks so much for watching. Stop by your local paper source, and we'll help you pick out some paper and create your own art.